Get strong.
Hi everyone, it's Lisa from the Stoney Creek School of Art again. Today we are going to be drawing a cute little bunny for spring coming out of a flower pot. So the first thing we're going to be doing is drawing the flower pot. So we're going to start with an oval, just like that. This is going to be the opening of the flower pot. So from each end of the oval, we're going to do little lines. And then a curve, trying to mimic this curve of the front of the oval. So I'm just gonna go around and join it like that. Next, we're gonna go down from this shape that we've created and do a smaller oval. This is gonna be the inside of the pot, if we could see it through an X-ray. And then just join it, the edges of the oval up to this original one. Now with your eraser, we want to erase this part of the oval. That was just a guide to help us get the shape of the flower pot correctly. So there you go. Now we're gonna draw the bunny's head, and it's going to be a circle that's going to overlap the flower pot. And from there, we're going to do 2 circles right beside. These are going to be his little paws. So with your eraser, you're going to want to erase anything that is in the face circle. Oops, sorry. Just like that, as well as the little paws. Right there and right there. All right. Next, we're going to draw his little nose. So another little oval and 2 curves coming out of the nose. Those are going to be his little cheeks. You can draw little circles like that. Create his little teeth coming in between. Now the bunny's eyes. You can make the eyes closer together if you'd like. I think it's cute when cartoons have far apart eyes, little eyebrows. I'm gonna do 2 little curves above his nose for his little squished up little bunny nose. And then now for the ears. So the ears, I'm gonna start in sort of the middle area of the head and go up, and then the other side, go up. Now we want it to sort of come to a point at the top. The next ear is going to be flopped down, so I'm going to do a smaller curve, and again a smaller curve, so it's a lot shorter, about halfway from this other ear. And then now from this part, I'm going to do a diagonal down, and then bring it up. So you're creating kind of like the letter V, and then I'm just going to join them with a curve like that. And you can erase this line in here. And you can just do the inside of the ears, just like that. Maybe give him a little bit of hair on top. Oh my goodness, he's cute. Some little whiskers. And now for his feet, all we're gonna do is kind of a W and then a U. So the letter W and then a U. Now I think I want his cheeks to kind of overlap his paws. So I'm going to bring that circle back. And then I think I want just his little curves here and his teeth to come out. I don't want the base of his face to come above the pot or on top of the pot. So just like that. Oh my goodness, cute. Okay, so from there you can draw your ground. So we need our little horizon line of where our ground meets the sky, or wherever our little bunny might be. Maybe has some dirt in the pot, just a little bit, and there's like a little pile of dirt on the ground. He's rooted up some plants. I'm just gonna do some little circles for some texture. Maybe the flower is out, so I'm gonna draw the flower stem, a circle, and then ovals for the flower, another oval for the little leaf, and there you have it. So now we can outline. And don't forget, with outlining, that's when you can get rid of the shapes that you don't really want. So I don't want to see the pot through the dirt, so I'm not going to draw that. When I use my eraser, I won't see that line of the pot. With this rainy weather, it definitely is feeling like spring. My dogs do not want to go outside when it's raining. So remember, this is the time when you can sort of edit out what you don't want. For up in the ears, I'm going to kind of do a little bit of scraggly hair with broken lines. Just like that. Yeah, you have a cute little drawing of a bunny coming out of a flower pot. This would be great for a little spring picture or a card for Easter that you might be giving to somebody, maybe your mom or your dad, somebody that's living at your house with you. So don't forget that first, when you trace, the next step is erasing. There you go, a quick and easy, adorable rabbit coming out of a flower pot. Thanks so much. I hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.